Guys, my name is Siddhant. Now you have seen here that we are going to show you a video that is very frank also. Now it's very lovely. Please subscribe, like and share. Okay, this is my first video. Okay, that's our experiment. Now you can look that. That's very cutesy. Okay, now we like to start our video. 3. Oh, it's very dangerous, dog. Now he is doing very bad thing. He is doing very bad thing. You can look that dog. It's very cutie. Now he is going to love him. Okay. Oh, it's very blood news. Oh, that dog is expressing him. Oh, he's giving hand to him. Now I like to go nearby them. It's very frank. That's I have seen that. He's doing very love, passion. He's very silent. Okay, now we like to close our video. 1, 2, 3.